Good morning team, myself Radharaman from Westside W088. I hope that you and your family are safe at home. Today I am presenting a small video about how to deal with customers to attracting them and how to grow in sale. Our company's most vital asset is its customers. So we need to make sure we are dealing with our customers properly. Without them we would not and could not exist in business. So we can attract we can attract our customers with the reducing the prices and unique products. If we are not creating relationship with them, they are not coming in our store. So there are some tips for dealing with customers and delivering excellent service. First of all, listen to customer. Sometimes customers just need to know that you are listening. If they are confused or have a problem by lending a listening ear, you are showing that you care and that you are not dismissing them. Number 2, apologize. When something was going wrong, then we apologize. It's amazing how calming the words I am sorry can be daunting is the fault, finding or laying blame. Number 3, take them seriously. Make customers feel important and appreciated no matter how ridiculous a question may sound to you. It's important to the customers. If they feel like they are being laughed at or spoken down to, they will not purchase anything. Customers can be very sensitive and will know whether or not you really care about them. Number 4 is stay calm. Difficult as it is sometimes, it is important to stay calm. Your calming approach will help your customers stay calm too. They will feel like you are in a control of the situation and you can help solve their problem. Number 5 is suggest a solution. Have a menu of calming remedies which we and our employee can use, whether it's purely a refund or return, or it's coupons or a free services, etc. By agreeing in advance the scenarios where we will provide these remedies and how much you are willing to spend, you will be able to speak calmer and more confidently when offering the solution. Number 6 is appreciate the power of yes. Always look for ways to help your customers when they have a request, as long as it's reasonable. Tell them that you can do it. Figure out how afterwards. Look after ways to make doing business with you easy. Always do what you say you are doing. Yes, you are going to do. Number 7 is acknowledge your limits. Yes is a powerful word, but if you are unable to fulfill a request, know your limits. You can't be everything to everyone. If you don't think you can fulfill the request, help them. Find an alternative remedies. Whether that remedy is our business or another, they will appreciate the extra mile you went to help them and will recommend you business to their network. Number 8 is be available. Customer service is no longer just about face to face contact or and telephone. We are working in an retail shop where customers are coming to buy directly. So we always available in front of customers. Number 9 is get regular feedback. Feedback is a great way to grow both our business and our skills. Provide ways of customers to give feedback, whether it's a follows up email or phone call, a suggestion box, or something more fun and innovative. Thank you team.